What's going on, guys? Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I have for you is a 2024 CyberBeast. This is a CyberBeast. That's a normal Cybertruck. It's called the CyberBeast. This thing is a beast. Super fast. I don't know exactly from 0 to 60 how fast does it go. I'm not sure. You can look it up though. But this truck is amazing. Customer said he wanted to do something, just something clean and simple. He said some 28s, Forgiatos fit on this vehicle. No cutting, no lifting at all. It fits on there, no problem. The guy can drive the vehicle anywhere he wants to drive the vehicle. He had it wrapped in a gloss black, which looks great because his color comes factory to silver, like a chrome finish. Not really a big fan of it, but once you wrap it, when you wrap these vehicles, it makes such a difference. It makes more of a sleek look. It actually brings the vehicle down a little bit more. Looks like a truck. Looks more aggressive. Pretty cool truck. Either you love it, or you hate it, or you start to love it. Listen, everyone's their own person, right? Everyone gets to choose what they want to do, but it is a pickup truck. It does have a full bed back there. You can use a full bed back there. Interior super luxury. So you can truck and you got luxury at the same time. Very cool, man. Very cool vehicle. Coast to Coast Customs, always doing something different.
10 a.m. Used to sleep and I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. I don't frown a lot. No. Lately blessings coming down a lot. They coming down.
It rides real good on the 28th.
Now turn right onto North State Road 7.
Yeah.
Now turn left onto South Hospital Drive. In 500 feet, turn right onto Northwest 42nd Avenue.
You think more and more people are gonna put wheels on electric cars?
Of course. Yeah, they have to, bro. I mean, the way this thing rides is just so, like, different.
Yeah.
You even like the steering, because it's like a 4-wheel steering.
Yeah. Like real sharper.
Now turn right onto Northwest 4th Street.
You don't have to turn it as much.
Yeah.
It flows in the corners.
Because it's big, all big wheels.
In 500 feet, make a U-turn at